Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Today we will continue with the problem on students recommendation. This is question 17 on vapor compression refrigeration as asked by Mr. SSP. So let us see what is the question. The question is like this. In a vapor compression system, a refrigerant leaves the evaporator and enters the compressor in a saturated vapor condition at 0 degree centigrade. The specific enthalpies of the saturated liquid and saturated vapor are 0 degree centigrade and 50 degree 0 degree centigrade are 50 kg per 50 kilojoules per kg and 250 kilojoules per kg respectively. The refrigerant leaves the compressor with a specific enthalpy of 300 kilojoules per kg. From the exit of the condenser, the refrigerant is throttled to the evaporator pressure. If the coefficient of performance COP of the refrigerator is 2.8, then the dryness fraction of the refrigerant entering the evaporator is dash. Let us do this. Now first of all, let us see how the vapor compression graph works like. Okay. So if I see the vapor compression cycle works under the vapor dome, correct? So when you say evaporator, it is a straight line. If it is pressure or temperature, we are not worried. Okay, whatever be the case, it is a straight line. And here I will put enthalpy. Obviously pressure and temperature, the dome is a bit different, but still in general. Okay, so now here what happens, if I say this is the saturated liquid dome, state, is it not? At here this is enthalpy is 50 kilojoules per kg, and here it is given 250 kilojoules per kg, correct? So H in kilojoules per kg I will. Now what happens, it is being refrigerant leaves the compressor with a specific enthalpy of 300 kilojoules. So after here it is compressor, right? So it is going in the anti-clockwise direction, that is power absorbing side. Okay, so somehow don't worry about how correct this thing is, we are not worried. Okay, so here this one, although it is taking some heat, say 300 kilojoules per kg. Okay, then it goes to the I am not writing straight lines here, I am just writing a curve this way. Okay, may not be 100% correct. Okay, so here this one, here it leaves the condenser and then it is throttled. So this is from A to B, it is evaporator, B to C is compressor, C to say D is our condenser, and then throttling. Throttling is a isenthalpic process that has to be understood. So enthalpy is great and it is same, and it is a irreversible process. That's why it is put in dashed line. So it will come and stay here. Now what is the energy which is taken for compressor? So compressor, the work done by the compressor is given by this particular thing, per kilojoules per kg. So it is 50 kilojoules per kg. Fine. Now when you say COP, what does COP mean? COP means heat absorbed from the evaporator divided by the work done. COP is given as 2.8, correct? And Q is known to us, 50 kilojoules per kg. Sorry, a work is known to us, is it not? So work is known to us, which is 50 kilojoules per kg. So heat which is taken out, what I will get is 140 kilojoules per kg. So much of heat is removed from the evaporator, correct? So now if 140 kilojoules per kg of heat is taken by the refrigerator from the evaporator, then this has to be 140. This much is 140. So now if I have to see the dryness fraction is the heat removed Q. If I say dryness fraction Q, it is heat removed Q divided by HF into G. HFG is 50 minus 250. So this would be equal to 140 divided by HFG, which is 200. So the X answer what we will get, it is not 140, it's 200 minus 140. I am sorry, dryness starts from here. X starts from here. So it is 200 minus 140, because As it goes over here, it becomes more and more drier. So it is on the wetter side, correct? So what is asked? Dryness fraction of the refrigerant entering the evaporator. Entering the evaporator is at this place, say E. It enters the evaporator at E. So at this E, what is the dryness fraction? And that is 200 minus 140, which is this distance, which is equal to 60 divided by 200, and the answer what we get is 0.3. So 0.3 is the answer. So it's a very easy question if you know the concepts. Do not miss these kind of questions. Okay, these are very, very easy. To read it takes a bit of time, but if you know the concepts, these are lollipop questions. Okay, so please do not leave this, and all the best students. Kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification. And because I nowadays in another 4-5 days I will upload a number of videos, and the 3 days till XE exam. So every day 3 to 4 videos I will upload. So you may not get a notification. So if you are preparing for the exams, so please come back to the channel and see what are the videos being uploaded. Okay. Thank you very much, students, and all the best for your exams.